Hi guys, what's up? Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete all backups on your iCloud account. Without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is you go to the setting app on your iPhone 10 and you're gonna find the iCloud setting on the top of the settings. So just tap on setting iCloud and tap on iCloud then and tap on manage storage. It's going to take some time. Okay, and just tap on backups. I just have one backups. If you have all backups, so you can just delete the old backups. So I'm just going to show you how you can delete one. So just tap on the backup. Okay, I'm just going to tap on my backup, and as you can see there's the option delete backup. So just tap on delete backup and you can just turn off and delete your old backup. I'm not going to delete my backups. You can just go ahead and tap off and you can just delete the backup. Okay, so that's it guys, it's that simple. Hope you like this video. For more videos please subscribe to our channel UnlockBoot. Thank you very much and see you next time.